Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction. We're standing here in a townhome in Clearwater Beach that we're remodeling. I'm here in the master bathroom. I want to show you what's going on with this project so you have a context when we show the beautiful after for what the before looked like. Let's look at what's going on here. So I'm standing right here in, well, what used to be the master bathroom. It will be a master bathroom again one day, but currently it's a big, huge hole in the side of the bedroom. So we used to have the shower behind me. I mean, you can see it had, all these different shower heads and stuff and So this old, let's call it a car wash, obviously had to get ripped out. And so we're doing a new master shower. We're actually taking the toilet from where it is on the other side of the bathroom and moving it to right here next to the shower. And then we're putting in a big custom vanity with a makeup tower. And I know at the risk of getting backlit, I'm gonna walk over here into the tub area as well. We're gonna be taking out what used to be a big framed in garden tub. I literally have a video on destroying garden tubs because I hate them. So we destroyed the garden tub and instead we're putting in a freestanding pedestal tub right here in this window area that has, a picturesque view of the bay. Maybe we can cut some of that in there. There we go, there we go. See that, beautiful, beautiful. So we're gonna put a nice big pedestal tub right here. And then in the ceiling, we're actually taking the ceiling out and we're pushing the drywall up and actually vaulting this area of the ceiling. So this is gonna feel like a big tub area. So what we did, because this master bathroom, although it was, it wasn't tiny, it didn't feel very big because when you walked in, you only had about 2.5 feet between the wall and the vanity. So what we did is we actually pulled this wall back by a whole foot. So the wall is being rebuilt for the master bathroom a foot out and we're making it bigger by that 1 foot. And then what we're doing is, this is the really cool piece, is in this townhome, what they had originally, you can see we have a lot of stuff down here protecting the floors because we're being crazy as we're going down the stairs protecting the floors. What they used to have, if you can show them that, Apollo, is a floor to ceiling 2-story open atrium area. And we're standing on the 2nd story of it. What we're actually doing is we're building a floor right here. So we're closing in this area and then that wall, which is currently the master bathroom wall, is gonna be shifted out by about 2 feet, which is gonna allow us to now have the master bathroom be a foot wider and 2 feet deeper. So that all encompassing is gonna allow us to push the shower out, move the toilet, make a vanity 3 feet longer, put in the freestanding tub, and have plenty of space for it all. And so you might ask, well, 2 feet, this is like 11 feet wide, what are you doing the rest of it? Huge walk-in closet. This is literally gonna be the size of the closet where you put cabinetry in the middle of it. They're gonna be doing, an island in the middle of the closet, lights up, floor outlet. And so this will all be framed in. Obviously this will come down and there'll be a wall right here. Let's go downstairs so I can show you what's going on with the kitchen. Oh, but before I forget, let me show you one other thing up here. We're actually gonna be taking this wall and pushing it out by about 6 feet. So right now, what they've got out here is they've got this small little balcony area, right? Well, this is the chimney for an old fireplace. That's going away, so this is gonna open up this space. And what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna push this wall out to here, creating an extra around 5 and change feet in the bedroom, allowing for there to be a bed and a reading area over here. And they're still gonna retain some of the balcony, obviously do a new railing, but they're gonna retain the balcony as a Juliet balcony to come out here and enjoy this beautiful intercoastal view. I mean, this is sick. They literally are on an end unit so they can see all the way out. Is beautiful. So here in the kitchen, what you can see over to my right is a ton of cabinetry. These are literally the kitchen cabinets. They're already here. We've had such a problem with getting our cabinets in on time that we now have basically a new policy at Home Love Construction that we start your project once we have the cabinets. We're doing this with a couple kitchens and bathrooms because they can be so delayed. So we got them and we started the demo. Inside the kitchen, there used to be a drop ceiling, pulled that one down. Obviously, as expected, inside the soffit, there's all this wire nonsense. So we just actually met our electrician here to come up with a game plan for how we're gonna reroute that through the ceiling. And then obviously we're putting in the new cabinets through here. We're gonna have a little island and then we're gonna have our whole wall of cabinetry with our 36-inch Wolf range, 48-inch Wolf refrigerator, full pantry on the end. What we're actually doing on this side of the room, back to where our cabinets are, is we're actually creating what's essentially gonna be a divider wall. This is Neil, by the way. Say hi, Neil.
Hey.
Great, perfect. Neil's an awesome project manager. We're actually creating a dividing wall out of pantry cabinets. So they're gonna go floor to ceiling. Instead of building a wall here, because this behind me is gonna become an office, instead of building a wall, we said, well, why don't we just use it as pantry space and just do a huge pantry right here. So literally from where I'm standing to the wall is all just gonna be cabinet doors, all pantry. It's gonna be beautiful. Big island in the middle with seating space on that side and this side. And then that leads us over into the main living room where we're actually not doing much. We're really just closing in this ceiling, right, to create our second story. And then we are eliminating the fireplace over there and creating a TV wall. But really the majority of our attention is on the kitchen. We're doing a little coffee bar area over here. So I'm really excited for you to get to see what this turns into and how it comes out. So if you're not already, be sure that you're liking us on Facebook and subscribing to Home Love Construction on YouTube. In addition to that, obviously we are in Clearwater Beach right now, right? We're in the Tampa Bay area doing projects in your backyard. So if that is you and you are in our backyard of the Tampa Bay area, reach out to us for a free same-day estimate. This started with one of our estimators coming and meeting with the owner and doing what we call a same-day estimate to get the conversation started as far as, okay, what's feasible, what can we do, what can't we do, and what's the budget gonna be, and set our budget and get straight to work on planning your project. Because when we come to do a same-day estimate, we are ready to rock. I mean, we're like, let's roll. We're here, let's get this done, let's tell you what it's gonna cost, what are we gonna do, pop, 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 let's roll. That's what we came to do. This is what we did here. Now, obviously there's a long lead time. The reason we have to get into action so quickly on that same day estimate is because things like this take 3 to 4 months to plan. So if we take 2 to 4 months to just get the estimate finalized, it's 8 months before your project starts. So we try to get into it right away, get right into action. If that appeals to you, send us an email to homeloveconstruction@gmail.com. We'll get you set up with one of our estimators for a free same-day estimate. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching. See you next vid and watch for updates on this. Thanks. Peace.